Hello, and welcome back to another edition of Carrie's Gardening Channel. So we are in June, and I was recently asked a question for how to grow xanthemums. Now, xanthemums are flowers. They get real pretty flowers on them in shades of purple, white, and pink. And their flowers sort of look like a starburst in a way to me. So how you grow these, you want to select an area with well-drained soil. They are drought tolerant, and you want to grow them in full sun. Now, you don't want to let them dry out to the point that they wilt. You do want to keep them more moist, but if they do happen to wilt, you can give them some water and they will perk back up. Now, I find for my area that I'm growing them in, I'm gardening in Pennsylvania in Zone 5B, that they do grow better in containers than when I try and plant them out in the ground. So I have mine in a container here. And these do get tall, they do branch off. These do produce multiple side branches. You can use them in arrangements. And you do want to plant these out after the danger of frost has passed. Now this one here is getting ready to bloom, and how you can see this is, hold on here if I can get, there you go. This one here is getting ready to bloom. This here is the bloom that's coming on it. I do have videos on my channel for how to start these from seed. And you do want to watch out for aphids, spider mites, mealybugs, because they will attack these. That's just some of the pests that will attack these. So I hope that you found this video helpful. So if you like my video, please like, comment, subscribe. Please don't forget to hit the little notification button as I put a new video on. Thank yous for watching. Have a nice day. Bye.